Digital tools are not just about managing your tasks, they are about managing your entire life. Imagine a world where your time is perfectly organized, distractions are minimized, and you can stay on top of everything, whether it's work, study, or your personal projects. Well, that dream is becoming a reality with the best digital tools for time management today. So let's discover the top 5 tools that can help you become more productive and laser focused than ever before. So first up is Rescue Time, an automatic time tracking tool that runs quietly in the background of your computer or phone. It tracks your time on apps and websites, clearly showing where your day goes. Here are some standout features. Rescue Time automatically records your time on different websites and apps without you having to start or stop timers manually. It sends reports showing exactly where time is going, helping you identify your most productive hours and areas where you're wasting time. You can also use the focus mode to block distracting websites when you need to focus. You can set goals to limit time spent on social media or any unproductive websites, and Rescue Time will track your progress. Studies have shown that simply tracking your time helps you become more aware of your habits, which is crucial for improving productivity. Rescue Time helps reduce that constant battle with distractions by giving you a real-time feedback. So, have you ever wondered where your time goes during the day? If you are curious about that, Rescue Time could be your answer. If you're looking for a powerful all-in-one platform to manage your tasks, goals, and documents, ClickUp is the tool for you. ClickUp isn't just a task manager. It's an entire productivity ecosystem that streamlines every aspect of your work. So let's understand why this is a game changer. ClickUp allows you to create workflows matching your needs. Whether you need a simple to-do list or a complex project tracker, ClickUp can be tailored to fit. The built-in time tracking helps you understand precisely how long tasks take so that you can optimize your workflow. You can also create dependencies between tasks, ensuring that work progresses in the correct order, avoiding any bottlenecks. ClickUp's AI-powered tools can help predict how long tasks will take based on your previous work, allowing you to plan better and stay on schedule. According to a research from the Harvard Business Review, breaking projects down into smaller tasks with clear timelines improves overall team productivity by over 20%. So if you have ever struggled with managing multiple projects at once, ClickUp can bring all your tasks and deadlines together in one place. So take a few moments, my friends, and let me know in the comments if you have used ClickUp or any other app that has skyrocketed your productivity. Let's get back now. Next is Notion, a tool that combines note-taking, task management, and project planning into one beautiful, customizable workspace. Whether you're a student or professional or a creative, Notion allows you to build a system that fits your needs. Here are its best features. Notion offers a wide variety of templates from simple task lists to complex project management systems. You can even create your own custom templates to suit your workflow. You can create notes, build knowledgeable databases, and manage databases in one place. Notion allows you to store and link important information to your tasks. With Notion, you can share workspaces with teammates or study groups, allowing for real-time collaboration and sharing of documents, tasks, as well as ideas. Since Notion is cross-platform, it's available on desktop and mobile, and Notion syncs seamlessly across all devices, so you always keep track of your work. Studies show that a flexible and customizable tool like Notion improves productivity by offering an adaptable framework for personal or team use. So my question to you is, are you someone who likes to have everything in one place? Then Notion is your all-in-one digital notebook and a task manager. Everyone knows Google Calendar, but did you know it's still one of the best time management tool in 2024? Simple, effective, and free. It offers powerful features for organizing your day. Here's why it remains a top choice. You can create separate calendars for work, school, and personal life, and then view them all in one place. You can create automatic reminders for meetings, deadlines, and events to organize your day. Google Calendar integrates with Google Tasks, so you can add reminders and manage your to-dos directly within the calendar. And finally, you can share your calendar to schedule meetings, events, and more. There are millions who trust Google Calendar, and studies have shown that maintaining a structured, color-coded calendar can reduce time management stress up to 40%. Once again, how do you keep track of your schedule? Are you using Google Calendar or any other app? Please let me know in the comments. Last but not the least, let's talk about Clockify, a free time tracking tool that's perfect for individuals and teams. Clockify helps you understand where your time is going and improves your efficiency. Here are the key features. You can track your time manually or let Clockify automatically track how much time you spend on different apps as well as projects. Clockify lets you track time across different projects and tasks, giving you a detailed report on where your time is being spent. If you work in a team, Clockify allows you to assign tasks and track time across multiple team members. It generates detailed reports to analyze how your time is spent, identify inefficiencies, and improve your time allocation. So time tracking is proven to help people become more mindful of how they spend their day, making Clockify an excellent tool for anyone looking to boost productivity. Do you track your time manually or use a tool like Clockify to stay on top of your day? Now that you know about these 5 powerful time management tools, the next step is to choose the one that fits your needs and start using it today. Which tools are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And finally, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button below for more productivity tips and time-saving hacks. Also, remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.